Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Payoneer. So let me take you to the website, which is payoneer.com. Now, who doesn't know about them? That many people use them, but still, I'm going to give you an intro. Payoneer is a global payment platform that enables businesses, freelancers, and e-commerce sellers to send, receive, and manage cross-border payment. It offers multi-currency accounts, prepaid debit cards, and bank withdrawals, making it a popular choice for affiliate marketers, freelancers, and online sellers. Payoneer is widely used for secure transactions, low fees, and fast international money transfer across 200 plus countries. So what you're waiting for? Come to the website, explore about them, and if you're not using them yet, you want to start using them. But that's not exactly why we're here. And you guessed it right, we're here to earn money from Payoneer. How do we do that? As usual, we join the affiliate program of Payoneer, start promoting them to our audience, to our traffic, and when we bring sales to them, we will end up getting commission. So who can join the affiliate program of Payoneer? I didn't find any restrictions at all. So regardless of your country as an affiliate, you can apply to be part of Payoneer affiliate program. To the consumers of which country can you promote? I didn't find restriction for that either. So you should be able to promote them to the consumers of the country wherever Payoneer is available and provides their services. So to learn more about their affiliate program, you can scroll down till the very bottom of the page and you can click on Partner Affiliate Program, which will take you to the affiliate program page of Payoneer. You can scroll down and you can see more details like how exactly it works. Let's talk about the benefit first. So rewarding commission. You'll get a good rewarding commission, and that is $25 commission for a new customer you bring to Payoneer. You get marketing resources, comprehensive reporting, and expert support and advice. And if you scroll down, you get to see more how it works. You register with them, you start promoting them, and you start getting paid. And if you scroll down, there are some frequently asked questions as well. How does the program work? What are the benefits of Payoneer affiliate program? So you can read this for better understanding. Now, let's say you've read it all and if you want to apply to the affiliate program, before you do, let me tell you something. It's not that easy to get the approval from Payoneer because there are many affiliates who have been applying to them. So in order for you to get the approval, you should be good enough. That means you should have a good online presence and you should have a good number of audience out there or followers out there. Otherwise, it will be hard to get the approval from them. Now, how do you apply for the affiliate program? Simply click on Start Earning Today, and it will open the window where you have to add all the details. Now, all the information that I'm going to mention here, that's going to be dummy for educational purpose, but in your case, you have to ensure you enter your information accurately to the best of your knowledge. Otherwise, Payoneer affiliate program team won't be able to review your information and won't be able to make the decision accordingly. So I'm going to write here my first name as John, last name as LNU for educational purpose. Email address, ensure you provide the working email address because this is how you will be notified about your application status, assuming you get the approval from them. Then you can also add your phone number. I'm going to enter mine. You can choose the country code. Followed by that, you can enter your phone number, then the website. Now, let's say if you don't have a website, but you might have a social media account. So instead of website, you can also mention your social media account in here. You can choose your country of residence. Then tell them more about your business and the client you plan to refer to them. So are you applying as a company or individual? You can select accordingly. I'm going to go with individual. What is your line of business? So you can select from there accordingly. I'm going to go with affiliate marketing. What type of clients you expect to refer to Payoneer? So you can choose either individual or company. In what vertical? So maybe freelancer, contractor. So depending on what you're going to select, there could be some more questions getting added, but simply read the questions and select the answer accordingly. How many clients do you expect to refer monthly? I say more than 50. In your case, you can choose the number here accordingly. How do you engage with your customers and what channels will you use to promote Payoneer? So you can choose, let's say I'm going to use my social channels. So you can use for yourself as well. What are you looking to achieve when partnering with Payoneer? So payment solutions to my client, improve product, acquire more clients by partnering with Payoneer, get commission by referring clients. I'm going to go with this. You might want to go with this as well since you're interested for the affiliate program and you want to earn commission. Please add any other detail that may be useful. Now for this, you have to be careful. You want to write good thing about you, like how exactly you plan to promote them, why you as an affiliate would be a value added for them. So this will help you in getting the approval from them. So you can write here, and then you can select this as well. I would like to receive communication from Payoneer regarding products, promotion, events. And if you like, you can tick mark it. No, I do not want to receive communication. So choose from any of these and then click on privacy policy, read it, followed by that, click on submit. So when you do that, your application to the Payoneer affiliate program team would go and you will see this confirmation message. A member of our team will get back to you soon. So you can expect to receive a confirmation from them soon. It could take anywhere between a couple of days to a couple of weeks time. So you can wait for them. And once you get the approval from them, you'll be notified by an email. Sometimes it could even take more than 2 weeks. So you have to be patient enough and you have to ensure that you have given all the information properly. Now, let's say when you get the approval, you will have all the information in your email that you must have received from them during that point of time. In the email, you'll find the direct link to the affiliate portal. You can click on that link and you can enter your credentials, which will also be there in the email itself. There will be your email address, followed by that there will be a password setup. So you can enter your credentials, you can get to the affiliate portal, and from there you can create your tracking link. Now, even if you get the approval from Payoneer, you can't just take any link from their website and start promoting them. You have to use tracking link, which you will be able to acquire after getting access to something called affiliate portal. That you will get via email. Now, let's say you created your tracking link through that portal, assuming after getting the approval, where can you promote them? Depending, there are many ways, but still I'm going to cover a few. One way is you promote them on website. Now, it doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, since you got the approval from Payoneer, you can start promoting them on your website. I say the homepage because everyone want to have a payment solution, isn't it? So homepage may be a good choice for you. Otherwise, you can also think of a category page or any other page of your website. Blog could be great as well because blog could allow you to write blog posts about Payoneer and you can include your tracking link within your blog post. So this way, when the reader would read it, they'll click on your tracking link, and if they become the new customers of Payoneer, you will get the commission, and that's $25. The third way is social media account. A social media account could be great because you could influence your followers through videos, reels, posts. You simply have to create content and you put your tracking link in the comment section. Fourth way is business services website. Now, if you have such kind of website and you have gotten the approval from Payoneer for that, that's great because people come to this kind of website to learn about different services available that could be utilized in businesses. So you might want to promote Payoneer on such kind of website, maybe create a standalone section for financial tools. And when people would come to your website, they can click on that financial tool section, and over there, they could see Payoneer. So you can integrate Payoneer tracking link within that section. So this way, people would come to your website, will find a tool, click on it, become the customer of Payoneer, and you will get the commission. So this is how you can start promoting Payoneer. There are other ways as well, but totally up to you. Now you have started promoting them. Where would you see a performance? That is something you would also be able to see in the affiliate portal. So you can, when you feel like there are sales generating and you want to see your report, you can always log into your affiliate portal, check the reports from there, and get the idea. And all the commission that has been accumulated in your Payoneer affiliate account or affiliate portal, you would be able to get it in form of Payoneer balance. So you can then transfer it to your bank account. So this is how you find the affiliate program of Payoneer, you apply to them, you get the approval, start promoting them, and start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you learning about the affiliate program of Payoneer. If you have any question in regards to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on that. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.